Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. This video is about the meanings of the French word pièce. It's got about 10 meanings. It's got a bit more, but the 10 ones are the main ones you need to know. And at the end of the video, I also give you 3 expressions using this word, so it's quite important. The number 1 meaning of the word pièce is a room in the house. For instance, you would say, j'ai acheté un 3 pièces. And that means I bought a 2-bedroom flat, because we say a 3-room flat, but actually it's 2 bedrooms and 1 lounge, because usually the lounge counts for une pièce. And we don't even bother using the word appartement. You could say, j'ai acheté un appartement 3 pièces, but we say un 3 pièces. Elle ne sait pas dans quelle pièce elle a laissé ses clés. She doesn't know what room she left her keys in. Notice in French we say in what room she left her keys, always in this order. Now for the other meanings of pièce. The first one is a unit or a piece, as in when you do piecework, for instance. Les ouvriers sont payés à la pièce. The workers are paid piece rate. One other meaning is une pièce de monnaie, which is a coin. Tu pourrais me prêter une pièce de 2 euros? Could you lend me a 2 euro coin? Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook at the link below, the 12 Golden Rules of French, and you could also have a look at my course, Parler Français Level 1, and it's geared at people who want to learn conversational French the fastest possible way. So have a look and let me know what you think. Another main meaning of une pièce is une pièce de théâtre, a play. On a vu une pièce formidable le week-end dernier. We saw a great play last weekend, or an amazing play. Une pièce de résistance is a main dish. We actually use the word pièce de résistance in the UK as it is as well. Le bœuf bourguignon est la pièce de résistance du repas. The beef bourguignon is the pièce de résistance of the meal, the main dish of the meal. One of my favorite meanings is the wedding cake, because in French you don't have a cake as such, you have a stack of cream puffs. So une pièce montée is actually a piece that's been stacked up. La pièce montée était incroyable lors de leur mariage. The cream puff stack was incredible at their wedding. Une pièce de rechange, a spare part. Les pièces de rechange sont difficiles à trouver pour ce modèle. Spare parts or spares are difficult to find for this model. Another meaning is une pièce d'identité, an ID document. Vous avez une pièce d'identité? Do you have any ID? Then you get une pièce jointe, which is an attachment to an email. La fiche de renseignement est en pièce jointe. The information form is attached. Finally, we've got une pièce rapportée, which is an add-on or an outsider to a family, for instance. Depuis son mariage, il n'est plus une pièce rapportée. Since he got married, he is no longer an outsider. And now for our expressions. Ce livre est tellement vieux qu'il tombe en pièces. This book is so old it's falling apart. So tomber en pièces is to fall to pieces or to fall apart. L'inspecteur a réussi à mettre les pièces du puzzle ensemble. The inspector has managed to figure it out. So put the puzzle pieces together is what we're saying, to figure something out. C'est inventé de toutes pièces, cette histoire. This story is totally made up. So we say it's been invented on all sides, or all the parts of it were invented. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed this video to support me. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.